I sound like this because I'm sick, Cookie. I will just say that I hope I can make you guys happy, even if I'm not your Oshi. I think I don't like speaking for other people, but I think your Oshi would love it if we were simply could be the oasis that you come back to after a long day. I don't like speaking for other people, but I think that's all we would ever want. Or at least for me, that's all I would ever want. So, thank you guys, Cookie. I know you guys like bare hands, but that's not a good idea today, Cookie. So, I'm gonna put on gloves, Cookie. Wait, don't I have to take off the gloves to be sickness infested? Hold on. How do I hug you guys? How does this work? How does this work? Are you guys feeling it? Do you feel it? Hug. Ooh. Marinate. Get sick. Marinate, Cookie. Ooh. Here, let me in your face too. Don't tell Irie I said this, but Irie has been talking to me on a daily basis. And I really appreciate that girl. So, yeah, I really appreciated her attention, even though I know she's has a lot to deal with in her real life. I really treasure that time. I really do, Cookie. Ooh, I'm lacking in so many ways. I'm trying my best though, Cookie. And I'm proud of you guys for always trying your best too. Always. It's okay to be hard on yourself, but we're all really hard on ourselves, Cookie, you know? And so even if you realize maybe you didn't do the best thing or say the best thing, it's okay. That's human. What matters is that you tried. I think that's very important.